Hi, I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to change product filters in Shopify's Online Store 2.0. From the dashboard, click Online Store and Navigation on the left-hand side of the screen. If your store has been updated to Online Store 2.0, you'll see a Filters section below the Menus section. To add a new filter, click the Add Filter link in the top right-hand corner of the section. A drop-down will appear showing 5 filter methods. Product availability filters products by whether or not they're in stock. Product price filters products within a certain price range. Product type filters products by whatever you've entered in the type field. And product vendor filters products by whatever you've entered in the vendor field. If you click the Product Options link at the bottom of this drop-down, you can also filter your products by any of their variants. From the modal, click any number of variant options to include those as filters, and then click the Done button. It's important to note that the Product Options section only lets you filter by variants. It doesn't let you filter by meta fields or tags. To rearrange selected filters, click on the left-hand side of any filter and drag it up or down in the list. To remove a filter, click the X button to the right of its listing. Once you've started adjusting filters, a Save bar will appear along the top of the screen. Click the Save button to finish adjusting your filters. To see how all this looks in the front end of Shopify, click the Preview icon next to Online Store in the left-hand menu. From your home page, navigate to a collection page. If you're using Shopify's Dawn theme, you'll see your filter options on the top left-hand side of the collection page. If you're using another Online Store 2.0 theme, you may see the filters displayed anywhere else on this page. Click the drop-down menu for any filter to see what filtering options are available on this page. If you click the availability drop-down, you'll see that you're able to filter for only in-stock products or only out-of-stock products. If you click any of the product option drop-downs, you'll see that you're able to filter by any of your product variants using checkboxes. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you should now know how to update filters in your online store and have some idea of how they appear in the front end of Shopify.